That's okay, I can still eat it. It'll still be fine. You have to do an action shot where you like do it like this. You gotta rotate it around.
When starting to bring it forward. I don't care.
She don't care.
Hi guys! So right now I'm gonna go to my downstairs office today because I'll be working on the HSLS High School Longitudinal Study. So yeah, need to clean up this mess. Hey guys! This is my downstairs desk area. We have an orchid. Okay. It's not dead, look. New flower is gonna come up soon. And I've got some miscellaneous stuff. And this is the drawer divider. And this is the one that I used for my makeup drawer. And this is from Tower. It's a Japanese brand. Yamazaki. My drawers are not very... pretty empty though, like, cause I actually study both upstairs and downstairs. This is a divider that you can open all the way up. Hey guys, so this is what the files look like. Ha 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 ha. So, statistic files. Okay, these are the descriptive stats. Regression, robust, standardized error, confidence interval. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, just go ahead.
Yeah, right. You're not as... I have my crap on fire. Heading down to the sun.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday. It's so cold. I'm walking to the classroom. Such a beautiful weather. Okay, see you guys later. It's Tuesday afternoon. How are you? Yeah, I just realized that every week on the same day, on the same weekday, I actually have the similar routine. So today I came here to school to work and then go to the gym and eat lunch and stay in the office and work. Yeah, and today I'm super grateful for having lunch because I'm super grateful for having leftovers last night so I can easily bring lunch. And I'm super grateful for the sunshine. Finally, it's been over 2 weeks that we haven't seen any sun, but finally we got the sun. It's super pretty today. I love it. Of course, I'm not outside playing. I'm here in the office in my little corner right here. Woo. I'm in the shared office space right here. So there you have it. Alright, I'll update you guys later. Look how pretty. Ooh. Pretty, right?
Look how good she wrapped it.
Can you help me open this? I can't open this. You can't open it either.
Personalizationmall.com. Personalized gift.
I still can't open it.
Why not? Oh, I got a bowl.
Got a bowl!
Oh, that's nice. Oh, look, that's nice.
What is it for?
W. For winner.
Okay.
That's nice. I like it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sally.
What are you making right now?
Potatoes.
Are you gonna wash them?
No. They're cold.
According to feng shui, you're not supposed to have knives in the middle of the kitchen.
It's fine. I don't need them. Tuscan potato roasting oil.
Tuscan potatoes roasting kit.
Roasted oil.
So it has a little seasoning pack.
That's right. It's the best. This stuff tastes super.
Eek.
Are you gonna do it?
Do what?
Mix it up.
With what?
Your hands. You just do it with your hands.
Okay, you do it then. You do. Go. I thought you used hands.
I don't want to get dirty. Okay, bah. Oh yeah, done. Now
Okay.
I gotta wait for the oven.
Preheat the oven to what degree?
425.
425. And bake it for how long?
20 minutes.
20? I thought you said 25.
20, 25. It's all the same.
Okay, now we're gonna make chicken. Okay, we're doing this air-chilled chicken organics. Do you want me to make it?
No, I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna put peanut curry on there. Just smear it with peanut sauce and just flash fry it.
What sauce do you want to use?
This one. Spicy peanut sauce.
From
Or chili pineapple. What's this chili pineapple?
chili
grilling
pineapple
sauce?
tastes better. I'm telling you, use chili pineapple. I'm telling you, pineapple chicken
This
is
is
a
good
real.
for grilling.
No, it's a real thing.
I know, it's not good for grilling.
Come on,
Are we gonna grill it?
put the chicken right here. Maybe wash it.
No. It's chicken.
Okay, we're using this sauce from Williams Sonoma.
Not very good. Just dump it on there, right? Marinate that sucker.
Yeah, you gotta marinate.
Yeah, you're getting it all. You're getting it all dirty on the side. You gonna mix it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna mix it up.
No, just use your hand. Don't use a
I don't
fork.
want to use one.
That's not even gonna do anything. It's not gonna marinate.
No, what you do is you poke some holes on the chicken so the sauce can get into the chicken, dum-dum. So we're gonna marinate the chicken for about 10 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, put some oil.
Hold on,
gotta get it hot first. You gotta let it
No, put oil first, you big dummy. That's how you burned it last time.
No, I burned it because I put water in there, and I left the water in there.
You dumb.
Like, I'm too smart for that now. Oh wait, we don't need that. We have this small one on.
That's good, that's good. We need to heat up the oil. When the oil is hot, we're gonna put in the chicken. Chicken is done! Yay, it's cooked. Looks healthy, right? It's not really healthy. There's a lot of sugar in the sauce. But it tastes really good. It's sweet and spicy. And if you want it to be more salty, you can put salt and also put pepper, but I didn't put any salt.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Looks good, right?
Is it burned?
No, it's fine. It's how they always
It
are.
looks like it's burned. It should be 20 minutes, right?
No, they're always like that.
You sure?
Yeah, it's crispy. Crispy potato. That's how they always are. Don't touch it. One chicken.
And lots of carrots. Just press it. No, just press it.
This is what I like to eat. Make a nice shake.
What shake are you gonna make?
Ooh, maybe some Thin Mints in there.
You're gonna put Thin Mints in your shake?
Yes, I am. With some Thin Mints. Oh yeah. Thin Mints. Thin Mints go with everything.
What's this? Strawberry bar?
Strawberry bar.
My Mexico ice cream bar?
Yeah.
Mexico.
I don't know what it is.
That's my 2% milk.
I'll put this apple in there.
It's not a good idea.
Why not?
I would rather put strawberries.
No, because I don't want to waste the strawberries.
I just don't think it's a good idea to put apples in there.
Why not? Apples and chocolate go together fine. Like chocolate apples, normal. Chocolate strawberries and apples, perfect.
Don't you think this apple cutter is cool? But too much, dummy. What happened? Did you put too much?
No, got it.
It's super bad.
Can't find a mint.
It tastes super bad.
You didn't taste it, drink it.
Yeah.
Find a mint.
Yeah. A lot of crumbles.
Right, it's from the cookie. Tastes good to me.
It doesn't taste as good as the chocolate chip. Hey guys, it's Wednesday, 1 o'clock. I just filmed a makeup video about 12 of my favorite pink lipsticks. It will be on about the end of February. It's also a collaboration video. Yes, I'm super excited. So we're gonna heat it up. Right here. So I have rice, carrots, and chicken drumstick. Yay! So when we're heating up the lunch, I'll go upstairs and get changed to get ready for my observation. I don't know if I want to go observe looking like this. Do I have too much makeup? comment down below. Like, I don't know. And then after my observation, I'll go to the Starbucks to work on papers right there for about 2 hours, and then I will go do yoga, 2 yoga classes. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, how are you? Now it's Wednesday about 5 o'clock. I'm here in my car reading because I went to the Starbucks, I started reading, and then I had to go to the bathroom. So I packed my stuff, went to the bathroom with my computer, and now I'm just sitting in my car. And it's a beautiful weather in San Antonio. I just really enjoy it, and yeah.
It's 3 tacos. It's a lot of tacos.
Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day! Yay! Thursday morning. I just got to the campus in the parking lot. There's no traffic today. I'm super happy. And then I'm about to teach my undergraduate class. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's Thursday afternoon and I don't have class tonight, and it's Valentine's Day. I'm actually really tired and sleepy because it's that time of the month. So I'm here cooking my lunch. Yay! Eat something nutritious, and I'm gonna start do some writing for my dissertation. Yeah, and then maybe go to 1 yoga class and go to bed early today. Lunch, it's about 3 o'clock. I haven't ate lunch, and today I taught in the morning and then went to the gym. I was so tired. I felt like I was completely off this morning when I was teaching. I felt like I was like drifting away from my own classroom. Lunch is ready. It's very simple. It took 10 minutes for me to cook. Hey, I'm my gummy bear here on my desk. Yay, continue working. Yes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. So for my dissertation, I am doing my investigating the authenticity of paper and computer-based ESL writing test. And this is my proposal. So right now I'm gonna revise my first 3 chapters from future tense to past tense, indicating I've already done it. And then I'm gonna put the results in discussion. Alright, doctoral dissertation proposal, yay! Good luck to me. Alright, we're gonna continue working, yay!
This is Blair. Hi. Wait, is that a video? Yeah, it's a video.
How's it going?
She wants to start her YouTube channel.
Fashion blogger.
Fashion blogger. Okay. But she doesn't have it yet.
I'm back. Hey, well, happy Valentine's Day. This is my friend. Hi. Okay. My Valentine's Day present. Ooh. Okay, my present. Okay, open present. Oh, this is the jacket I wanted to buy. I picked it out myself. Yay, super dry. Super dry jacket. Yay! Valentine's Day present. Yes. Yes.
Got it.
Hello everyone, it's Friday. Yay! I'm so sleepy and tired. I'm literally like floating right now. I'm here walking to the building from the parking lot. And yesterday I went to bed super late. I was gonna sleep early, but I ended up hanging out with my friend. She was going through some personal things, so I was trying to like talk to her and stuff. Yeah, so I ended up like going to bed like super late. But that's okay, it's worth it. So I'm about to teach right now, the undergraduate class. And yeah. Hey guys, it's Friday afternoon. How are you guys? It's a beautiful weather in San Antonio. It is currently 86 degrees. Oh my god. And this is our backyard and I'm super grateful for the sun. Yes, it just feels so great. Yay! Alright, so now I'm gonna go work. Yes, I'm gonna go work. But don't you love it? Yay! Finally, tank top, t-shirt, skirt, dresses. Yay! This is my lunch. I'm eating the leftover from yesterday. Broccoli, ham, butternut squash noodle, and 1 egg. Alright, lunchtime. He also got me some brownies and chocolate covered strawberries. Looks pretty, right? Well, I love it. Looks so pretty. But I would love to look at them rather than eating them because they look too pretty to be eaten, right? Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. And I wish you happy every day. If you like this video, give it a... Say it! If you like this video, give it a
Thumbs up.
And don't forget to
Subscribe.
and also ring the
Bell for notifications. Booyah!
Booyah! See you next video! Bye.